Everyone wants AI agents right now, and most companies are wasting money on them. Not because the tech is broken, but because they're automating the wrong work. AI agents are not virtual employees. They're autonomous tools. And like any tool, value comes from using them in the right place. The smartest use cases are simple, repetitive, high-frequency tasks with clear rules and structured data. Inventory monitoring, invoice classification, payment follow-ups. These tasks drain human time and are perfect for agents. Where teams go wrong is trying to automate strategy or judgment. AI should not define your brand or make complex exceptions. But once humans set direction, agents are excellent at executing consistently and at scale. Quick pause. Like the video, subscribe and comment if your team is already testing AI agents. Another key rule is decision clarity. If you can map the task with a basic flowchart, an agent can likely handle it. Customer support triage is a great example. Agents can classify tickets, pull answers from knowledge bases, and hand edge cases to humans. Never automate what you don't fully understand. If no one owns the process, data, and success metrics, the agent will fail. AI agents are not a shortcut for missing expertise. You also need measurable outcomes. Strong use cases make it easy to compare agents to humans on time, cost, and accuracy. If success is subjective, ROI usually is too. And always start small. Pick one contained task, prove value, then scale. Quick wins build confidence. Big leaps create chaos. AI agents aren't here to replace people. They're here to free humans to focus on judgment, strategy, and creative work. If you want real ROI from AI, stop chasing hype and start choosing smarter use cases. Watch the related video in the corner for real-world examples. Subscribe for practical AI insights and start building AI systems that actually move your business forward.